Let's turn this. Into this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I think today we're going to go fix a crossing or make a new crossing. Back on the east side of the property, there's a little creek that we drive the side-by-side through to drive the fence on the east side of the property. That creek is slowly but surely getting a little deeper and deeper and a little harder to cross. So I've got a few tin horns, some old concrete tin horns laying around. I'm gonna grab Tiny and grab one of those tin horns and carry it back there. Use the backhoe, kind of dig out and clean out a little bit of a spot and push one of those culverts into that little creek and push some dirt over it just so we can make a crossing that's a little bit easier to get back through there and possibly be able to drive something besides the side-by-side through that area. So hang in there, that's what we got going on. Okay, imagine this is a plus sign, okay? I'm gonna need you to push this easily this way. See how it's curling the bucket up? I'm gonna stick the pipe and then roll on it, and whenever I say okay, ease over on this and try to run that way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all the way curled? Push it. Okay, well, we got that loaded on there. That was not an easy task. That thing is extremely heavy. It's either a 6 or 7 foot horn. I believe it's 18-inch ID. Real heavy. Glad I had some help. I about got Tiny stuck coming down through here. This one little spot right here, that front tire just went bloop. Had to drop the horn off a little bit early. That's okay, I can come around and push it up into the hole once I'm there. So I think the plan's gonna be, I'm gonna dig right out through here, just kind of clean some of that up. It's wide enough and deep enough that that horn will fit down in there now, but I'm gonna need some more dirt to put on top of it. I may end up coming back over here to this old crossing. Now this will be my first time using the backhoe, the 150H. Tractor's still being broke in. It's got like 6.5 hours on it now. So I'm probably just gonna go quarter throttle, half throttle or so, and just kind of go nice and easy. This is pretty sandy soil anyways. It's not gonna be hard digging. So I'm gonna set you guys up right over here. I'm gonna move the tractor around and start digging and kind of stockpiling some dirt. Then once we get that done, I'll push that horn off into the hole and we'll cover it up. Okay, after thinking about it, there's not a lot of room right between here. There's trees here and there's a fence there, but right back in here, there's a good little bit of room. So I think I am gonna put it right here just so you can go straight across the horn. This creek's crooked. It runs at a little bit of an angle. So if I put the horn there, it's gonna make it essentially narrower if you're trying to drive straight across it. And you'd have to drive more straight being over there closer to the fence. So I think I'm gonna dig this out some and we'll just push that horn off into here. Yes, I am gonna have to move this seat. Just a little too much. Definitely out of practice. think that might do it. Okay, I'm definitely out of practice. I think that's going to be good for it. I'm going to turn the tractor around, push that pile of dirt over just a little bit and get behind that horn and push it over here down in that hole. We'll take that dirt and bury it. Got a low range. This is a pretty stout little tractor. That's where I want it. It looks good. Okay, well, it's facing downhill like it should be. Let's get this dirt pushed off in there and call it a day. This whole little area down here is soft. Try not to get this thing stuck. I think I'm a little low on dirt. Okay, we'll just dig some more. Okay, I think that's enough dirt to get it. Let's finish packing that over the top, and we'll be done. Okay, well, the crossing's in. It's gonna take a little bit to get that packed in. It's quite a bit of clay in that, and it's real slimy right now digging into this creek bed. But that's kind of to be expected with it. I think it's gonna help out quite a bit versus driving through the creek. You all seen at the beginning of this video what it was like before, and now we'll see what it's like as is. But again, it's gonna take a little bit to get packed, and I'll end up probably having to get some more dirt and bring down here once everything settles and dress it up again. All right, guys, you guys seen I am way out of practice on a backhoe. It's been several years since I ran one, but that's okay. I've got this one now, so I'll just keep getting better and better. I'm glad this crossing's in. I'm glad it's done for the most part. Like I said, I will end up dressing it back up at some point, I'm sure. But if you guys found any of the video entertaining or informational, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you would, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.